Today, I'm at the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. All right, check it out. Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. I got called to fix a machine here. A little bit of everything. So we got a machine that quit working. I think this is going to be an easy fix. I'm just going to hope that I don't knock my phone out my tripod here. So you got a switch that's not working here. On the back of this chocolate machine, I got some of these. Let's pop it out and have a look at it. Cheap electronics tools. Screwdriver filled with electrical tape. These are easy to do. Pull that out real slow. Look at that. All right. Gotta go look for a switch real quick. I'm gonna put it on pause. You won't even notice it. Did you notice me missing? Got the shade. I got this other replacement switch. All right. Let's try not to lose these wires in the machine. Because I don't want to be here extra time to take this thing apart. So what do we got here? We got two identical switches. This switch, new switch, nice click. Look at this old switch, whoop, has a click. This one kind of oh, there we go. Look at this, melty, melty. See the difference? All right, let's put this new switch in and see if we get this thing going. Try not to lose my wires in the machine because I don't want to spend an hour taking this thing apart. Crimps, ain't that nice? All right, carefully put that back in there. Let's plug it in, see what happens. You got power. All right. Looks like Jason's odd discoveries at the chocolate factory. Fix a chocolate machine. Check it out. All right, kiddo. Make the chocolate machine work. Let's see what it does. There we go. So what do we make with this chocolate machine?
Chocolate covered marshmallows, apples,
Want to be on video?
Oreos, sure.
This is Emma. She's my daughter.
Hi. What else?
So everything, all the candies you make at the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory, this is where you dip all your cookies and candies and marshmallows.
Apples. Yep.
All right, so Emma saved the day by knowing that we had a broken machine, gave me a call. I came out here, fixed it, got it back up and running.
Dad to the rescue.
So what do? You just take a cookie and dip it in there and dry it up on a sheet? Don't trip over my tool bag.
Chocolate covered marshmallow.
That's how you make a chocolate covered marshmallow. All right, so if anybody wants to get their chocolate covered marshmallows, we saved the day. Come on over to the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory in LaGrange and get your chocolate covered marshmallow. So there's a really short video today. That was a very easy, quick fix.
Yeah.
Thank you for stopping by. Hit that like button for me. It's going to help my channel grow. Thank you very much for stopping by.